Hi, my name is Jamahl C, and I'm a criminal defense attorney in San Diego, California. And in this video, I'll be discussing the charge of assault with a deadly weapon. In order to prove the defendant is guilty of assault with a deadly weapon, the prosecutor must prove the following elements. Number one, the defendant committed an act with a deadly weapon that by its nature would directly and most likely result in the application of force on another person, or the defendant did not use a weapon but used force likely to produce great bodily injury. Number two, the defendant acted willfully. And number three, the defendant acted, he or she was aware of facts that would cause a reasonable person to realize that their act would directly, probably result in the application of force to another. And lastly, when the defendant acted, he or she had the present ability to use force on a person. A deadly weapon is any object, instrument, or weapon that is either inherently deadly or is used in such a way that it is capable of causing death or serious bodily injury. So when you think of deadly weapons, what normally comes to mind would be a knife or brass knuckles. However, everyday objects such as a hammer, a car, a baseball bat, or even a shoe could be considered a deadly weapon. As an example, while working on a construction site, Victor takes a joke a bit too far. His coworker Danny gets upset, pushes him to the ground. Danny kicks Victor in the side with his steel-toe boot. Victor suffers a cracked rib as a result. But Danny, in this situation, could be charged with assault with a deadly weapon for the attack, even though a boot is not an object that one would normally consider a weapon, let alone a deadly one. A person has the right to defend themselves from immediate threat of harm. So therefore, a person charged with assault with a deadly weapon may be able to assert that he was acting in self-defense or defense of others using force. Assault with a deadly weapon can be prosecuted as either a felony or a misdemeanor. This decision is usually based on the type of force used, the injury, the defendant's criminal history, and other mitigating or aggravating circumstances. If charged as a felony, a person may face up to 4 years in prison. If a firearm was used, this can result in a longer prison sentence. Additionally, the conviction would count as a strike under the 3 strikes law that could be used to enhance further convictions. As a misdemeanor, the maximum sentence would be 1 year in county jail. There can also be court fines, community service, domestic violence classes, including anger management and protective orders involved. So there you have an overview of assault with a deadly weapon. If you found this video useful, please show me some love and hit the like button. If you haven't already, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video when it drops. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and until next time, peace.